Hello, it's Hero Creeper here again. Or I might be on Facebook for y'all. Most of you probably be on Facebook. But I have this black screen because I'm trying a new way of recording, and I can't show you the video with this way. I'm hoping you can hear it better than the last one because I know that it is. Yeah, I have problems with it. I don't have the best microphone. My voice doesn't sound the same as it does in real life. But this is all I got right now until I can get some upgrades or something. But today it is Breathe by Jonny Diaz. I don't know how to spell Diaz. I don't know how to spell that. Or how to pronounce it. But here we go. Alarm clock screaming bare feet hit the floor. It's off to the races, everybody at the door. I feel like I'm falling behind. It's a crazy life. 90 miles an hour, going fast as I can, trying to push a little harder, trying to get the upper hand. So much to do in so little time, it's a crazy life. It's ready, set, go, it's another wild day, when the stress is on my life, in my heart I hear you say, just breathe, come and rest at thy feet, and just feel chaos comes, but all you really need is to just breathe. I have a little static here. Third cup of Joe just to get me through the day. Wanna make the most of time, but I feel it slip away. I wonder if there's something more to this crazy life. I'm busy, but it's no surprise to see that I only have time for me. There's gotta be something more to this crazy life. I'm hanging on top to another round day, when it's starts to fall apart in my heart. You say, just breathe, come and rest at thy feet, and just breathe, chaos comes, but all you need is just crazy. There you are, the peace of God that overcomes just breathe. Let your words fill your breath, Lord, understand all of that just breathe. Just breathe. Come and rest at thy feet, and just breathe. Take a pause, but all you need is to just breathe. Just breathe. I don't know about you, but for me that was kind of ear piercing, but whatever it takes. But that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, sorry, I was just trying to get everything set back up. This has been Hero Creeper. I'm signing off. May God bless you. Have a wonderful day. I love everyone. I love everyone with my poorly drawn heart. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.